To scan documents using Adobe Scan application on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you would like to go for the application called Play Store. So let's go in there and press this search button, and here input the Adobe Scan. And after you find it, you would like to install this application Adobe Scan made by Adobe. Simply press button to install this application, and after that, after you are done installing, you simply press this button to open it. Let's wait for the application to open, and right here you'll have to log in into this application using like for example Google, Facebook or Apple. And if you don't have account, you will have to sign in or sign up basically, but I will log in into this application using the Google account, and it is the real quick process if you're doing it using the Google or for example or Facebook. And after that you are ready to use your application. Right here is the notification to use premium tools, but it is not necessary. You can simply press this skip button on the top right corner, and now you are ready to begin scanning. Obviously you have to also allow this application to use camera and some other stuff, so let's allow all of these permissions, and now tap the screen when you are ready to scan. So I will for example try to scan the back of this box of this phone. So let's put the box right here, and I will put the phone above the box, and now let's tap, and this should search the document and capture it, but it is actually it has a bad quality, so let's try again. I'll try again. So alright, it's a little bit better, but because of the lightning I have right here, this document, this back of this box is not that nicely scanned, but that's just an example of how to do this. So right here you can see that your document gets outlined, gets automatically scanned and outlined just like this. So in case if there are some mistakes right here, you can adjust these outlines by grabbing these corners right here, as you can see. And here we have a little circle with the preview with more detailed, and like you can precisely scale it. Yeah, so that's basically it. Here you have this document, and if you are willing to scan, you have more documents, you will go for keep scanning, so you will have more pages for your document in the PDF file. And yeah, that's basically it. You can additionally rotate your document in case it has been scanned in the wrong orientation. You can also retake. There's a button to retake this document in case it has been scanned badly. And here are some other options which you can adjust some more parameters for this document. And after we are done scanning, you will simply go for the save PDF, and this will convert all of these files, all of these photos that you have scanned into the PDF file. And that is pretty nice and simple to do this. As you can see, now we have this saved right here. I previously scanned some more things right here, and yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.